This tutorial shows how to tie the locked Brummel eye-splice at the end of the heavy-duty braided Dacron tow rope used by Hood River Soaring. Wrap tape around the end of the rope. Have ready a Sharpie pen, needle nose pliers, scissors, and a fid. Make a loop that's big enough to pass the toe ring through. Allow a 5 to 6 inch tail to secure inside the hollow core of the rope. Use the Sharpie to mark the rope in 2 places where the loop meets. Gently work the fid evenly at the ink mark between the braid of the rope and use it to pull the free end of the rope through. You'll need to massage the rope a bit to relax and open the hole you've made. Use the same method to make another hole at the second ink mark. Notice how the holes form kinks in the rope with angular shapes. Pay close attention to what comes next. Gently push the needle nose pliers through the eye of the first hole from inside the angle. Take care not to break any rope fibers. Grab the midsection of the rope and pull it through. Keep pulling until the second hole comes through with an extra 2 to 3 inches of rope. Notice that the kink in the first hole has now been inverted and it is relaxed. Turn the loop over and ease the pliers through the second hole from outside the angle. Grab the loop section of the rope and pull it all the way through. Then snug it up nice and tight. Notice that both holes are relaxed now and the splice is locked, so that the tail end of the rope cannot be pulled through. Next, work the fid carefully into the hollow core of the rope. Bunch up several inches of rope around the fid, enough to bury the tail. Then, work the tip of the fid out through the braid. Tuck the tail end of the rope securely into the fid, push it through, and pull the tail end out and free. Cut off the end at an angle. Loosen the fibers of the rope and trim the outside fibers to create a smooth taper. Then pull the end back inside to bury it in the core of the rope. The buried end of the rope must be tapered. If it is left blunt, it will create a weak spot in the tow rope. Before attaching the tow ring, first protect the eye-splice with a half tennis ball. Push the rope through a crosscut in the center of the ball. Finally, push the loop through the tow ring and then slip the loop back over the ring to secure it with a lark's head knot. Pull it good and tight, and bravo, it's done.